Good morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Year 5 and Year 6 Presentation Assembly. As you can see, it is Wednesday the 27th of March 2024 and we're here to celebrate all those children in Year 5 and Year 6 who've earned themselves presentation certificates throughout this spring term. And you've all been working so hard. It has been an amazing term. Well done to all of you. You won't see a great deal of me, you'll just see amazing children. We're going to start this morning in Year 5. We're going to start this morning with the top three, as you can see in each class, with house points. So we've got Miss Barrett and Miss Percy. So Miss Barrett just down in the lead there. Sky with 71, Esme on 70 and Gabby on 69, really close there. And then similarly, Miss Percy's got, we've got Nala out on 60, Olivia 55 and Ramya on 50. So well done, you six. Absolutely amazing spring term. Smashing it. Just keep that going in the summer term. And our Year 5 English stars, look at these guys working so hard in English. Look at this work as well. So we've got Rosie, we've got Bo, we've got Lee, and we've got Luna. Look at that English work. Look at the writing. Absolutely extraordinary indeed. Well done, you four. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today, superstars. Our reading stars, not only these guys are going to get certificates, but they're also reading non-stop. They're going to get a reading book as well. They're radical readers. Gabby, we got Alfie, we got Jacob, and we got Nala. Well done, you four. Enjoy taking your certificates home today and your new reading books. Really well done. To our maths stars in these Year 5s, have been working so hard on their maths as well throughout this time. We've got Jacob, we've got Gino, we've got Alex, we've got Esme, working so hard. Magnificent mathematicians indeed. Well done, guys. Really super proud of you all. Enjoy taking your maths certificates home with you today, superstars. Well done. Our scientists now, our scientists is sensational scientists in Year 5. We've got Tarek, we've got Muntaha, we've got Luke, and we've got Daisy. Well done, you guys. I know you've been really enjoying your science as well. So really well done. Enjoy taking your science certificates home with you today, superstars. Well done. Our historians, and these guys have really enjoyed their history throughout this term. So we've got Ramya, we've got Cece, we've got Rebecca, and we've got Jordan. Well done, guys. You've been working so hard. Some of the writing that's coming from this historian and the history topics as well has been absolutely brilliant. Absolutely superb. So well done, you absolute superstars. Well done. Our geography stars now, our Year 5 geography stars. Here they come. Look out, come on in. Casper, Olivia, Omo, and Layla. Well done, guys. You've been working so hard and really glorious geographers, but I know you have been really enjoying your geography as well. So well done, guys. Super proud of you. Our final certificates are our PE stars. And these guys not only been enjoying their PE, their games lesson, but also their swimming as well. Absolutely superb. So we've got Marley, and we've got Michael, we've got Lacey, and we've got Ruby, your persistent PE stars. So well done, guys. I know you've been working really hard on your swimming as well. So really well done, guys. I'm so super impressed. So keep that up and just keep working as hard as you possibly can. Really impressed. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you. Well done. On to Year 6. Here we go. Our top 6 children, Miss Musselwhite and Mr. Davison's class. So you've got Joseph there, way out in the lead, 125. Charlemagne, 115. And Regan on 113. Well done, you guys. And then in Mr. Davison, we've got Marshall on 102. We've got Jakisha on 98. And then Barron on 93. Really close there again. So really well done, you 6. Fantastic spring term. Just keep that up in the summer, you superstars. Well done. We're going on to our Year 6, our English stars now. Look at these guys. These guys have been working so hard in English. Absolutely eager indeed. Elia, Mahir, Jaden and Barron. Well done, guys. Working so hard. Enjoy taking your English certificates home today. Your writing is phenomenal. So really well done. Our reading stars in Year 6. Now, these guys not only have been working so hard, they've been reading every single day. We've got Oscar, we've got JLo, we've got North, and we've got Oscar. Absolutely brilliant, guys. Yes, you're reliable reading stars because you read every single day. So well done. Enjoy taking your certificates and your new reading books home with you, you superstars. Well done. Mathematicians, and these guys are working brilliantly on maths, phenomenally. We've got Anya, we've got Byron, and we've got Mandy, and we've got Mia. Majestic math stars indeed. The progress that these guys have made as well is phenomenal. What a spring term. All ready for SAT, so well done, guys. Super impressive. Enjoy taking certificates home, you superstars. And our scientists, look at these scientists. Our science stars are Lexi, Angel, Anne-Marie, and Chad. Well done. I know you guys have been working so hard. Sensational science stars? Indeed. You are sensational. Really well done. Again, working so hard through your science and the writing you're producing as well in that science. It's been phenomenal. So well done, you four. Enjoy taking your certificates home today. Our historians, these guys have been working so hard. Look at the smiles on these guys. They should be. We've got Marshall, we've got Eric, we've got Reese, and we've got Pandora working so hard. Look at that smile, Marshall. It makes me smile. You've got honourable history stars indeed. I take a bow. Well done, you four. Amazing work. A great spring term. So really well done. Our geographers here, we've got 4 fantastic geographers. They certainly are. Look at their gleaming. They are Bailey, Eva, Christopher and Jack, working so hard at geography. And again, really enjoying their geography topic throughout the spring term as well. So well done, guys. Super impressive. Enjoy taking certificates home today, you superstars. Well done. Our final set up PE stars, now PE, their games lesson, after school clubs, well, swimming as well, been absolutely phenomenal. And they are Emily Ann, Esme, Max, and Daniel. Well done, guys. You are phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal, super fit as well. Keep that up over Easter. Not too many Easter eggs, I hope. So really well done, guys. Absolutely superb. Enjoyed taking certificates home today. Weren't they all amazing? You have all worked so hard throughout this spring term. Congratulations to everyone who've earned themselves a ticket today at Presentation Assembly. Fantastic. Enjoy taking those home today. And as you can see, school closes today for our Easter holidays, Wednesday, 27th of March, 2024 at 3:15. And we are back on Monday, the 15th of April, 2024, when gates open at 8:30. Have a wonderful Easter, everyone else. Don't eat too many Easter eggs. Try and get out there and do a bit of exercise. It'd be lovely to see you all safely on Monday the 15th at 8:30. Have a very, very happy Easter. We'll see you all then. Bye-bye now.